Very warm welcome on the platform of ANSYS Academy. We are discussing the rapid fire series of 25,000 plus questions which has been asked in UPPSC examination. Already we have discussed some sections. In this section we are going to discuss word geography pointer. Let's start the video. First chapter is the universe and solar system. The Big Bang theory explains the origin of the universe. Zero was discovered by Indians. Supernova is a dead star. The information about black hole at first is given by S. Chandrasekhar. The boundary beyond which stars die is called Chandrasekhar limit. The following had suggested that changing the position of the Earth on its axis is a factor for climate change. Milankovitch. The following had opined that Earth revolves around the Sun. Aryabhatta. The time period of rotation of a geostationary satellite is 24 hours. The following gases were absent in the atmosphere of primitive Earth. Oxygen. The color of the star is indicator of its temperature. The following is not associated with celestial theory of climate change. Solar radiation. Akashganga is classified as spiral galaxy. The duration of its day and the tilt of its axis are almost the same as those of the Earth. Is true in reference to Mars. The smallest planet of the solar system is Mercury. Time taken by light from the Sun to reach the Earth is 8 minutes. Astronauts see sky color black. The planet nearest to the Sun is Mercury. The energy of the Sun comes from by nuclear fusion. Nuclear fuel in the Sun is hydrogen. The spacecraft Magellan was sent on planet Venus. The possibility of life on planet other than Earth because the environment there is very approachable for life. Europa, moon of Jupiter. The atmosphere of Saturn contains the gas in large quantity, methane. The small celestial bodies, asteroids, are found in our solar system between Mars and Jupiter. The Earth rotation axis, polar axis, is always tilted 23.5 degrees from elliptical axis. The planet called as twin sister of Earth is Venus. The following is known as morning star is Venus. The planet take the shortest time to orbit the Sun is Mercury. Two planets do not have any satellites, Mercury and Venus. The closest planet to the Earth is Venus. True about the planet is they shine even if they do not have their own luminance. Long radio waves reflect from which layer of Earth's atmosphere? Ionosphere. Earth is revolving at a speed of about 4,400 km per hour in its orbit. We don't experience this fast pace because the entire solar system is also in motion. The Earth's magnetic field is due to currents circulating inside the core. According to NASA, the evidence for the presence of life on Mars found till today include water, gypsum and methane. Unlike the fluid core of the Earth, the core of the Moon is solid. Earth is located between Venus and Mars. Titan is the largest moon or satellite of Saturn. Methane is present in the atmosphere of Jupiter. There is no atmosphere on the moon because escape velocity of gas molecule on it is less than the root mean square velocity. When a rock is brought from the surface of moon to the earth, its weight will be changed but mass remains same. The largest amount of fresh water are on our planet is continental and mountain glaciers, permanent ice. The group of small pieces of rocks revolving around the sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter are called asteroids. Solar eclipse occur in new moon day. The following was leap year 2000. The following was leap year 2000. The following dates: your shadow is the shortest in the afternoon, June 22nd. Elevation of sun on topic of Cancer at noon of Makar Sankranti is 66.5 degrees. The following day will be the longest, 22nd June. Great tides come when the sun and moon are in straight line. The reason for the elliptical appearance of the sun and the moon near the horizon is diffraction. Move on to the next chapter, that is the latitude and longitude lines. The international border of North Korea and South Korea is 38° north latitude. The following latitudes, northern or southern, would you associate with the horse latitude is 30°. The following longitudes along with the prime meridian forms a great circle on the globe is 180°. Prime meridian does not pass through Niger. Through which one of the following groups of countries does the equator pass? Colombia, Kenya and Indonesia. The minimum distance between two places on the globe is at the longitude. The following rivers crosses the equator twice. Gyre. The intersection point of prime meridian and equator lies in Atlantic Ocean. The daytime in North Hemisphere during Tropic of Cancer solstice will be 12 hours at the equator. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Iran. The following cities located closest to the Tropic of Cancer is Ujjain. The Tropic of Capricorn does not pass through Bolivia. When it is noon in Greenwich, the local time of a place is 5 p.m. Which of the following is the prime meridian at which the above mentioned place is located? 75° east. The local time of a place is 6 a.m. while Greenwich Mean Time GMT is 3 a.m. The longitude of that place will be 45° east. If it is midnight on the meridian of the Indian Standard Time, it is 6 o'clock in the morning at a place at which meridian that place is located. 170° 30 minutes east. 172° and 30 minutes east. The following longitudes is known as standard meridian line of India. 82° 30 minutes east. If a cricket commentator in England starts at 10 a.m. GMT, then at which time in India can be heard from India? 3:30 p.m. Datum line. It is a horizontal line through which height and depth are measured. Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn both passes through Africa. Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, all the three passes through continent Africa. Parts of Horn of Africa are Somalia, Ethiopia and Djibouti. The following country is in south of Arctic Circle, Iceland. Isogonic lines are lines with same magnetic inclination. How many air pressure belts are found on the globe? 4. Move on to the next chapter, that is countries of the world, capital boundaries. The following country is not located on the bank of Black Sea, Syria. The following country is the largest in the continent of Africa in terms of area, Algeria. The following country is not located in the continent of Africa is Guyana. Nobi and Kanto plains are located in country Japan. The following country is not located on the western coast of Africa is Botswana. The following presents correct sequence in descending order of area of the continents is Asia, Africa, North America and Europe. The smallest continent is Australia. The two smallest continents of world are Australia and Europe. The following continents have the largest number of countries in Africa. The following continents have the highest percentage of plains in its total area is Europe. The following continents has no landlocked state is North America. The following capital cities in Europe is situated closest to the North Pole is Helsinki. The following groups of countries share border with Israel, Lebanon, Syria, Jordan and Egypt. The lowest density of population in country is Mongolia. The following country is not a landlocked country is Liberia. The following is not part of Scandinavian countries is Finland. The following is only landlocked country in Southeast Asia, Laos. The following country is part of Europe politically, even if geographically located in America, is Greenland. The correct ascending order of country in terms of area is Argentina, India, Australia and Brazil. The following is the most urbanized country of South Asia is Pakistan. The most urbanized country of world at present is Singapore. The following country is the largest Islamic nation in the world by population is Indonesia. The following is not a landlocked country is Azerbaijan. The Horn of Africa does not include Sudan. The following group of countries are called Benelux countries: Belgium, Netherlands, and Luxembourg. Borders of which of the following African country do not touch Mediterranean Sea is Chad. The following country is not located in Central America is Sierra Leone. The most densely populated country of South America is Ecuador. Area of the following country is not more than India, France. The following is the capital of United Arab Emirates is Abu Dhabi. The following is known as oil capital of Europe, Aberdeen. The following cities is located in farthest north is Rome. The river situated along the border between the United States of America and Mexico is Rio Grande. The following country is not situated along the coast of Baltic Sea, Sweden and Norway. Indonesia does not share its land boundary with country Brunei. Sahel region do not include areas of country Tunisia. Maginot Line was border between France and Germany. Afghanistan does not have common border with Russia. The following country forms the longest terrestrial border with India, Bangladesh. The following river forms international border, Rhine. Zambia does not share border with Botswana. The following country do not share borders with Caspian Sea is Iraq. Move on to the next chapter, that is major cities of the world and geographical surnames. The following island is known as the Land of Promise, Mindanao. The smallest city of world from population point of view is Liechtenstein. The world's highest telescopic observatory is located in India. Famous for the Leaning Tower, Pisa is located in Italy. Which country is famous as the country of rising sun? Japan. The state of USA is also known as Blue Grass State, Kentucky. The following is called the Sugar Bowl of World, Cuba. The following city is called Manchester of the East, Osaka. City of Turkey is known as the Gateway of the West, Istanbul. The Valley of Kings is located in Egypt. Move on to the next chapter, that is geological history and rock system. The following methods is used to determine the age of Earth: uranium dating. The following continents was not a part of Gondwana land, North America. Originally on Earth there was only one large mainland called Pangaea. Dinosaurs were Mesozoic reptiles. The following era, the Earth was almost covered with ice, Pleistocene era. The following is present in the largest amount in terms of percentage mass in the Earth crust is oxygen. Most of the volume and mass of Earth is found in mantle. Iron ore is found in which of the following rock system in India is Dharwar. The following would you associate with metamorphic rock? Garnet. The following is not metamorphic rock, granite. Move on to the next chapter, that is the mountain and plateau. Mount Nimba, UNESCO World Heritage Site, is situated in country Guinea and Ivory Coast. The mountain forming the border between France and Spain is Pyrenees. Darling Range is situated along coast of Australia, southwestern coast. The famous volcanic mountain Krakatoa is situated in country Indonesia. White mountains are found in USA. Africa's highest mountain peak, Mount Kilimanjaro, lies in Tanzania. Mount Titlis is in Switzerland. The Aravalli Ranges is located in Rajasthan. The following mountain is located in Italy, Apennine. The Black Mountain is located in US. Drakensberg Mountain is located in country South Africa. The following is an example of a residual mountain, Aravalli. Black Forest Mountains are situated at Germany. Andes mountain range is located in continent South America. The following mountains situated on the banks of the river Rhine: Black Forest. Karakum Desert is situated in country Turkmenistan. Taklamakan Desert is located in China. Desert of Gobi is in China. The following is the largest plateau, Colorado. The following deserts is located in the southern hemisphere is Kalahari. The following is the temperate desert, Patagonian Desert. The largest desert in the world is Sahara. It is the largest desert in South Asia is Thar. The root of the desert plants is long because roots grow long in search of water. The world's most populous desert is Thar. Dastalut is located in Iran. The finest system of protected lands in the world at country India. Move on to the next chapter, that is volcanoes and earthquakes. The following volcano is called the lighthouse of Mediterranean Sea is Stromboli. The following is the highest volcanic mountain in the world, Mount Cotopaxi. The following is a volcanic island in India, Barren Island. The most active volcano is Kilau. The following scales is used to measure the severity of tornadoes. Fujita scale. Tornado word belongs to USA. Mauna Loa is an example of active volcano. The ring of fire belongs to the distribution of volcano. The following is the most volatile volcano, Volcanian. The most abundant gas emitted from volcanoes is water vapor. The following equipment is used to measure the earthquake: seismograph. The place on the Earth's surface which records the seismic waves first is called epicenter. The intensity of earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. Move on to the next chapter, that is the drainage system and the riverside cities. The geographical unit that collects, stores and releases water is called watershed. Indus River in Pakistan flows through areas east of Suleiman and Kirtar mountain ranges. The Blue Nile River originates from Lake Tana. The following country is not under the drainage area of Nile River: Chad. Kariba Dam has been built on the river Zambezi. The following river of Africa crosses Tropic of Capricorn twice is Limpopo. The following river flows through our Rift Valley is Rhine. The longest river of Asia is Yangtze. The river Ganga in Bangladesh is known as Padma. The following rivers of Asia flows towards the south: Salween. Mahaveli Ganga is a river of Sri Lanka. The longest river of the world is Nile. Hongwo River falls in Gulf of Chile. The following cities is not situated along Tigris River is Kirkuk. Rio Grande is a part of the international border between Mexico and USA. Move on to the next chapter, that is the ocean and sea. Telegraphic Plateau is part of North Atlantic Ridge. Triangle of Bermuda is located in North Atlantic Ocean. The following sea has the highest salinity: Dead Sea. The following is known as the Sea of Mountains, British Columbia. The deepest sea is South China Sea. The following salts contributes maximum to the salinity of seawater: sodium chloride. The following seas is situated in between Philippines and Vietnam: South China Sea. Russian seaport of Arkhangelsk is situated on Sea, Barents Sea. The following country does not share its border with Caspian Sea: Uzbekistan. The following mountains is situated between Black Sea and Caspian Sea is Caucasus Mountains. Baku, the capital city of Azerbaijan, is situated along the coast of Caspian Sea. Red Sea is an example of axial trough. Minimum salinity is found in Caspian Sea. Highest salinity is obtained in Van Lake, Turkey. The Great Artesian Basin (GAB) is located in Australia. Sargasso Sea is characterized by typical marine vegetation. The sea surrounded by Italy, Sicily, Sardinia and Corsica is Tyrrhenian Sea. The following sea is surrounded by three continents: Mediterranean Sea. The biggest fishery region is Grand Bank. Move on to the next chapter, that is oceanic water currents. The following ocean currents is associated with Indian Ocean is Agulhas current. The following is not a cold ocean current, Agulhas. The following is the warm current, Brazil current. The following is the warm current, ocean current, Eastern Australian current. The following is the cold current of the South Atlantic Ocean, Benguela current. The following currents does not contribute to forming a complete circle of currents in South Atlantic Ocean, Canary. The following ocean currents does not belong to the Indian Ocean, Benguela current. The following is cold ocean current, Humboldt current. The following is not cold ocean current, Brazilian current. The following is not cold ocean current, Japanese current. The following is the cold current of South Atlantic Ocean, Benguela current. Move on to the next chapter, that is state and oceanic trough. Lombok state is located between two islands, Bali and Lombok. Which state separates Europe and from Africa, Gibraltar? The following states does a tunnel connect the UK, United Kingdom and France? State of Dover. Pak state makes maritime boundary between India and Sri Lanka. State of Hormuz lies between Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. The state which separates Asia from North America is Bering Strait. The best internal waterways are found in Europe. The world's deepest trenches is Challenger. The deepest oceanic trench is Mariana. The Death Valley of USA lies in the state of California. The following is not the part of Atlantic Ridge, Kerguelen, Grassberg Ridge. Move on to the next chapter, that is the Gulf and Islands. Persian Gulf does not form border with Oman. The correct sequence of the islands of Indonesia from west to east: Sumatra, Java, Bali, Lombok. The following is not a part of Polynesia group of islands, Tinian. The largest island of Japan is Honshu. The following eastern islands is divided into three countries: Borneo. The following is the largest in area: New Zealand and South Island. The following islands of Pacific Ocean belongs to the Melanesia group's islands: Solomon Island. The largest island of the world is Greenland. Number of islands are in South China Sea are 250. Sinai Peninsula is located in Egypt. The following represents the correct north to south sequence of the following four islands of Japan: Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku and Kyushu. Move on to the next chapter, that is the lakes and waterfalls. Lake Balkhas is situated in country Kazakhstan. The following is the source of Blue Nile River, Lake Tana. The deepest lake in Africa is Lake Tanganyika. The following lake does not form the border between two countries: Lake Rukwa. In the Suez Canal region, the correct order of lake lying from north to south direction is Lake Manjala, Timsa, Great Bitter Lake, Little Bitter Lake. The following lakes is completely located in America is Michigan. The following is known as Pearl of Siberia, Baikal Lake. Baikal Lake. Baikal Lake. The following is the oldest and deepest lake in the world is Baikal Lake. On the basis of area, volume and the largest lake of the world is Caspian Sea. The following is called the land of the 1000 lakes, Finland. The glacial lake Itasca is source of river Mississippi. The following lakes of India is located in Assam: Chapnala Lake. The second deepest and the longest lake in the world is Tanganyika Lake. The following waterfalls is located in Venezuela is Angel Falls. The Wadi Nar oil refinery is located in state Gujarat. The highest waterfall of the world is Salto Angel. Move on to the next chapter, that is the landforms and processes. At the mouth of which of the following rivers the Bird's Foot type delta is formed? Mississippi. Death Valley is known for its excessive heat. Taylor Valley is located in Antarctica. Nilong Valley is located in state Uttarakhand. The country which provides the best example of radial drainage is Sri Lanka. Blind Valley is found in Kast region. The largest ship breaking yard of world is located in Gujarat. Death Valley, situated in South California in USA, is an example of Rift Valley, which landform is not the result of deposition of work by running water, river terrace. Move on to the next chapter, that is composition of the atmosphere. Ozone layer absorbing ultraviolet radiation exists in atmosphere layer, stratosphere. In the vertical structure of the atmosphere, which one is the lowest layer? Troposphere. The following is considered to be the optimum concentration of carbon dioxide for the natural balance in atmosphere, 0.03%. The following gases is found in the lowest amount in the atmosphere, ozone. Most weather events are related to troposphere. All of the radio waves are reflected to the surface of the earth by ionosphere. Air pressure is lowest in summer season. The highest altitude clouds are cirrocumulus. Ozone layer is in atmosphere save the life on the earth from ultraviolet rays. Move on to the next chapter, that is air pressure, humidity and wind blow. What caused wind to reflect towards left in southern hemisphere? Coriolis force. Winds from the high pressure area to the Mediterranean Sea are trade winds. El Nino is formed in Pacific Ocean. The wettest, most humid place in the world is Masinram. The International Acid Rain Information Center has been set up at Oslo. Warm wind that flows in Alps region of Europe is known as Föhn. The following is the daily wind system, land and sea breeze. Following is cold and dry wind, Mistral. Move on to the next chapter, that is the cyclone. Cyclone Taukate was formed in Ocean Arabian Sea. Which cyclone hit the coastal area of southern India during the month of November 2020? Niwar. Willy Willy is tropical cyclone over Australia. Tropical cyclones are known as hurricanes in West Indies. Hurricanes do not occur in North Sea. The maximum probability of origin of tropical cyclone is in the intertropical convergence zone. Move on to the next chapter, that is the climate and grasslands. Vegetation is the true index of climate. This statement is associated with Köppen. The following does not get Mediterranean Ocean climate, Madagascar. The following regions of world. The production of citrus fruits is well developed, Mediterranean regions. The coldest place in the world is Verkhoyansk. Threat of global warming is increasing due to the increasing concentration of carbon dioxide. The following continents are all type of climate found in Asia. The world's most drought-prone country is Australia. Desert is defined as the area where annual rainfall is less than 25 centimeters. The driest region of the earth is Atacama Desert. The following constitutes the highest percentage area of the earth is arid region. The following is not found in Mediterranean climate, Bolivia. The movement of inner tropical convergence zone, ITCZ, mainly affects the rainfall pattern in monsoon climate. The following is not part of prairies provinces in Canada, Ontario. The wide treeless grassland of South America is called Pampas. In the following countries, the Pampas grassland is situated Argentina and Ecuador. Pampas grassland located in country Uruguay and Argentina. The following temperate grasslands are found in Eurasia is steppes. The following is not a temperate grassland, savanna. The savanna is the most widespread in Africa. Pampas and steppes are mid-latitudinal grasslands. Move on to the next chapter, that is the forest and soil. The following tree is not found in the Mediterranean forest is teak. Selva forests are characterized by broad-leaf evergreen. The highest percentage of forest cover of the world is related to tropical coniferous forest. The following has the lowest average net primary productivity, temperate grasslands. The type of forests are found near the equator, tropical forest. Coniferous forests are not found in Amazon. The following countries have dense tropical forest in Africa, Ivory Coast. Tropical rainforests are found in Congo Basin. The highest percentage of geographical its geographical area under forest in country Japan. The largest percentage of its total area under forest in country Suriname. The specification of taiga forest is temperate region. In the following continent, extension of tropical deciduous forest is more Asia. In the world, the largest and dense forests are in Brazil. The first country in the world to ban deforestation is Norway. The following ecosystem is named as land of big game savanna. The following is not passive factor of the soil formation climate. Soil is alluvial soil. Soil erosion is a big problem in the tropical rainforest regions. The following soils of India is most suitable for cotton cultivation, Regu soil. Move on to the next chapter, that is the coral reef. The most effective factor for coral bleaching is increase in normal temperature of ocean water. The following is a coral island, Lakshadweep. Move on to the next chapter, that is the mineral resources. The largest coal producing center of Ukraine is Donetsk. Kuzbass region in Russia is famous for coal. Donbass region is famous for coal. More than 50% of coal production of world is found from China and USA. Descending order of three major coal producing countries of the world: China, USA and Australia. The following region is famous for coal mining: Karaganda. Mount Newman is famous for mineral iron ore. Superior Lake region in North America is famous for iron ore reserves. The largest producer of iron ore in the world is China. According to the recent reports, the place of India in steel production of the world is second among the iron ore producing countries of Europe. Place of France is fourth. Market-based factories of iron and steel are found in country Japan. The following iron ore mine is not in Superior Lake region, Kilauea Rock. The following city is called Pittsburgh of Japan, Iowa. The following country is the most producer of bauxite, Australia. Bauxite is mineral ore of aluminium. Chuquicamata, Chile is famous for which mineral in the world? Copper. Japan is almost self-sufficient in copper. The largest copper producing country in Africa is Zambia. The following minerals is most notable in torrid zone of tropical region: copper. In Malaysia, the Kinta Valley is famous for tin production. Port-Moresby and its adjacent area of South Africa is major producer of the minerals manganese. The following is not among the major resources of Russia: uranium. What is marble? Metamorphic rock. Largest reserve of uranium in the world is found in Australia. There is main reserve stock of tin in state Chhattisgarh. The following country is known for important deposit of uranium ore: Canada. The largest producer of diamond in country Russia. Kimberley is famous for diamond mining. In the following types of coal, there are more percentage of carbon in comparison of others: anthracite. The largest aluminum producing country in the world is North America. Diamond mines in India at Madhya Pradesh. Largest producer of silver in the world is Mexico. Mexico is the largest producer of silver. The following cities of California is not located in Silicon Valley: Santa Rosa. Silicon Valley in United States of America is located in California. Move on to the next chapter, that is the energy resources. The following country, 99% of its total energy requirement is obtained by hydropower: Norway. In West Asia, the largest petroleum producing country is Saudi Arabia. The following country of the world, except United States of America, is the largest crude oil producer is Saudi Arabia. The largest reserve of oil in the country is Venezuela. The largest supplier of mineral oil to India in 2017-18 in country is Iraq. With respect to total nuclear energy production of the world, the production of India is 1%. Baku is famous for mineral oil. The following fact is not true with reference to Bombay High Oil Region. Bombay High Oil Region is located 60 km away from the Mumbai coast. The leading producer of titanium in the world is Russia. The largest reserve of petroleum is found in Saudi Arabia. The following energy is used most commonly used in production of biomass is solar energy. The largest producer of mineral oil in Southeast Asia is Indonesia. Correct descending order of major oil producing countries of Middle East is Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq and Kuwait. Move on to the next chapter, that is the industrial zone. The following industry is most developed in the Great Lake region of North America: steel and engineering. In West Asia, the highest petroleum producing country is Saudi Arabia. Famous industrial area Ruhr Basin is in Germany. The following countries is credited for establishing Uranium City: Canada. Leading producer of cotton textile in the world is China. The following wool producing hub is associated with Germany: Wuppertal. Japan is one among the leading industrial countries of the world because it has advanced technical ability. The following important industry is there in Kiel City: shipbuilding. Move on to the next chapter, that is human races. The following is not a nomad. Lapse. Which area of the world would you associate with Bushman, Kalahari? The following primates is closely related to modern human being: Gibbon. The following region is famous for Lapse tribe: Scandinavia. Semang people live in dense tropical forest in Malaysia. Inuit community is not found in Sweden. The following tribes practice shifting cultivation: Bhil of India. Move on to the next chapter, that is transportation. The longest rock tunnel of the world is located in Finland. The following canals is used as an inland waterway in southern Germany: Ludwig's Canal. The largest navigational canal in the world is Suez Canal. Suez Canal connects Superior and Huron. Alexandria seaport is of Egypt. The second largest port of world is Shanghai. The following is known as copy port of the world: Santos. The pair of ports located at two ends of Suez Canal are Port Said and Suez. The following port is basically Aintree Port, Singapore. The following is not a port of South Africa: Johannesburg. The Gwadar Port in Pakistan is situated in provinces Balochistan. Move on to the next chapter, that is agriculture and animal husbandry. The credit goes for the development of coconut and sugarcane agriculture in Philippines to Spanish and Americans. The leading producer of iodine in the world at country Chile. Hydroponics is soil-free cultivation of the plants. Large coffee plantations in Brazil are called fazendas. The largest exporter amount in dollars of tea in the world in the year 2016-17 in country China. The largest coffee producing country in the world is Brazil. The importance of crop rotation in the farming is it increases the production, soil fertility is conserved, soil erosion is reduced. The following soil is suitable for tea plantation is acidic. Groundnut is main crop of Gambia. Rank of India in vegetable production is second, which is called sugar ball of world: Cuba. The following country is known as sugar ball of world is Cuba. Largest producer of natural rubber in the world is Thailand. The most intensive farming is popular in Japan. The largest tea exporting country of the world is India. Leading producer of coffee in the world from percentage point of view is Brazil. The following countries in second largest exporter of coffee in the world is Vietnam. The following states of USA coffee produce: Hawaii. The following countries productivity of paddy is maximum: China. The following countries the highest per acre cotton production is in China. India's contribution in total fruit production of world is 15%. Native place of groundnut is Brazil. Two leading producers of sugar beets in the world are France and Russia. Two leading producers of coffee in the world are Brazil and Vietnam. Largest producer of sugarcane in the world is Brazil. Leading producer of wheat and rice in the world is China. Two leading producers of natural rubber in the world are Thailand and Indonesia. Highest producer of wool in the world is Australia. International Rice Gene Bank is located in Philippines. Largest producer and exporter of long fabric cotton in the world is USA. Sacramento, San Joaquin Valley, famous for the production of grapes and citrus lemon species, located in California. Cocoa Triangle is situated in country Ghana. Golden Triangle, located in Southeast Asia, is globally known for production of opium. Ladang is associated with shifting cultivation. Move on to the next chapter, that is miscellaneous. National Family Health Survey (NFHS 5) does not include HIV test. The following direct benefit scheme (DBS) has been recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's largest direct benefit scheme (PAHAL). The following is concerned with soil edaphic. The meaning of term umland is neighboring area of city. Headquarters of International Maritime Organization is located at London. World Wildlife Day is celebrated on 3rd March. Valley of Geysers is located in Kamchatka, Russia. The following desert is known as the Valley of Moon, Atacama Desert. Most arid place of world is located in country Chile. Earth Summit of 1992 was held in Rio de Janeiro. Average temperature of the globe is 15 degrees Celsius. Fjord Coast या Fjord Coast are not found in country Australia. Commonly used weedicide for paddy is 2,4-D. UP308 is a variety of wheat. That's it for today. Now world geography section is also over. Thanks for watching the video.